My name is Autumn Hayes, and I am the Director of Tai Chi for Health and Longevity here at Blue Dragon Tai Chi. And I am so excited to invite you to join us for our first installment of the online Women's Health Ma Wang Dui Workshops. Now, I'm really excited about this for a couple of reasons. One is this is my first opportunity to teach a workshop from Athens, Greece, so that'll be a great time. Number two, I'm really excited about this opportunity for you to learn this form that has so many amazing health benefits for everyone and especially for women. At this workshop, you can expect to learn about the history of this form, how it was developed, where it was discovered, and what was discovered in the caves with the scrolls that lets us know that this form has amazing benefits for women's health, but also about the things you'll experience in the workshop and in the weeks between the first workshop and the subsequent ones. So you will experience and learn about how to get energy flowing through your meridians to all the vital parts of your body. You'll experience stretching and strengthening your muscles and your ligaments. Keep at the practice and you'll see how it can benefit your heart health, your breathing, weight loss, and lots of other important health goals. So go ahead and go to bluedragontaichi.com and sign up, and I can't wait to see you in October.